This tutorial shows how to add, update, and delete a table of contents in Microsoft Word. Using a table of contents directs readers to exactly where they need to be in a document. In addition to making the document more reader-friendly, a table of contents makes it easier for the author to add or remove content if necessary. By default, Word generates a table of contents using the first three heading styles. To add a table of contents to your document, click where you want the table of contents to appear. Select References and then Table of Contents. A drop-down menu displays. Here you can choose between the three different built-in tables. We will choose Automatic Table 2. The table of contents displays in your document. If you ever need to add or remove a section from your document, you can easily update the table of contents. To do this, click anywhere in the table of contents. Right-click and select Update Field. The Update Table of Contents pop-up box displays. You can choose to either update page numbers only or update the entire table. Here, let's select Update the entire table. The table of contents is now updated. If you ever want to delete the table of contents, select the entire table of contents. Press the Delete key on your keyboard. The table of contents is now deleted. That is how to add, update, and delete a table of contents. For all of your technical writing needs, go to www.sheaws.com.